the Ride1Up Portola.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Ride1Up Portola electric bike.
Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and paper protecting it. There's minimal assembly required and the user manual walks you through the process. Inside it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, and a hat. Just to highlight the assembly process, you basically just have to attach the handlebar stem and align it into place. The rest is all set up, so it should take no longer than 20 minutes to complete. Going over some specs, this comes in 3 colors: sea turquoise, indigo matte, and charcoal gloss, which I have. It has a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, 750 watt rear hub motor, 65 Newton meters of torque, 2 battery options, 48 volt 10.4 amp hour and a 48 volt 13.4 amp hour, with a range of 20 to 45 miles. It has a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour with throttle only. 20 by 3 inch tires, 5 pedal assist levels and a thumb throttle, Shimano 8-speed, LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, front and rear lights and fenders. It weighs in at 59 pounds and has a max load of 300 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a front folding lever for the handlebars. You have the front light, front fender, front suspension, 20 by 3 inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back you have the battery, the charging port, battery keyhole, kickstand, mechanical disc brakes, and rear rack. A rear view, you can see the rear tail light and rear fender. On the other side you have the 750 watt rear motor, 8-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. Towards the middle you have the folding lever for the frame. A look at the handlebar area, you have the thumb throttle, brakes, controls, LCD display, and gear shifter. Powering up the bike is simple. Just hold down the power button, and once powered up, pressing the power button will cycle through the odometer, the trip, time, average speed, and the power. Pressing the plus button will cycle through the pedal assist, 1 through 5, and the minus button will decrease it. Holding down the plus button for a few seconds will activate the front and rear light. And finally, holding down the minus button will activate the walk assist feature.
Now folding and unfolding the bike is simple. You first want to fold the stem down and then you can fold the frame. So there's a safety button here in the front. You want to press and then pull the lever down. And then there's another button here in the back. Just push in so it goes down. So once you have the stem folded, you can proceed to the frame here. You want to pull on this button here and then you can pull the lever out. With a kickstand, and there it goes. Just fold it like so. And then unfolding it is just the reverse operation.
Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts.
Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy. The bike does have the front suspension forks. It also has a lockout feature. I have that currently off, so the suspensions should go to work. All right, so let's see how it does down this rough trail. Okay, so far so good. It's absorbing the bumps pretty well here. Onto the gravel. Now on to the speed test. This has the 5 pedal assist levels and also the thumb throttle. We'll start off with the pedal assist modes. I'll start off from pedal assist 1 all the way to 5. And then after that, we'll just do the thumb throttle. All right, here we go. Pedal assist 1. All right, about 5 miles an hour on pedal assist 1. Moving to pedal assist 2. About 7. Pedal assist 3. About 11. 4. About 16. And 5. So hitting about 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. So with the pedal assist, we got up to 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now just use the thumb throttle and let's see how fast it can go. All right, here we go, thumb throttle only. Nice smooth acceleration. We're at 15 miles an hour. 19. 20. So it looks like it's going to top off at about 20 miles per hour with the thumb throttle.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Okay, now for the uphill test. This road has a nice gradual incline. We saw that with the speed test, we hit about 20 miles per hour. So let's see if it can maintain that 20 miles per hour or if we lose speed as we make it up this road. All right, here we go, uphill test. Very quiet on the acceleration. You can barely hear the motor. Nice and smooth. Everything feels nice and stable. Steering's nice and stable, no wobble. All right, we're at 18 miles per hour as we begin the climb. Losing a little bit of speed, we're down to about 16, back to 17. So it's holding about 17 miles per hour as we make it up the hill here. There's going to be a slight downhill into this turn. And I'm just going to let it glide. So with the uphill test, we began the climb at 18 miles per hour. It dropped down to 16 and then went back up to 17, and then it just powered through. Plenty of power. Now we're going to do the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. All right, here we go, downhill test. All right, we're at 16 miles per hour, 20. I'm just going to let it glide into this turn here. Nice and stable, no rattles, no vibrations. About 17 miles per hour now. And 20. About 21 right now, 22.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. I wish more bikes came 90% or more assembled, so less to mess with as a consumer. The paint has a charcoal gloss finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, rack, and fenders. The bike feels solid and well put together. The frame is easy to fold and unfold, which makes it great to transport. The cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is wide, but it's a little bit on the firm side. Handlebars are decent length, steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces fairly well. The front suspensions absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt motor was plentiful for the bike. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss, and it maintained about 17 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 20 miles per hour along with the thumb throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour on pedal assist and 20 miles per hour with the thumb throttle, and range up to 45 miles. This will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment you're in. The mechanical disc brakes were very strong and it had a good stopping power. It came to a complete stop within a short distance, as you saw through my testing. The display is simple, just your standard LCD display, easy to read, and it doesn't get washed out on sunny days. Overall, I feel this is a solid folding bike. It feels well built and the price is very competitive. Easy to transport and it's capable. This would be a good entry e-bike for those that are in the market, in my opinion. So that is my review of the Ride1Up Portola electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.